Hello, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna guide you through the phone setup on the DUOQIN F22 Pro phone. So the first thing you're gonna be greeted with when you turn your phone off is this starting menu, where you can select your language, change the vision settings, so like some accessibility settings that you can change right here, and the emergency call option. But after you're done with these settings, you can select the start button to continue with the setup. And here you can connect your SIM card. So if you have a SIM card that you can connect to your phone, you can do that by opening up the SIM tray right here and then inserting the SIM card into it. And once you're done with that, you can just select continue, or if you don't have a SIM card, you can click skip. And now you're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network, so I'm going to do that real quick. There we go, I connected to the Wi-Fi network, and once you've done that, it's going to take you to the automatic setup, so it's going to set up the other things for you. And we're going to wait for that to finish. Okay, so once the setup has been completed, you have the option to copy the apps and data from other phones that you have. You can either select don't copy or proceed with the copying from the Google account or phone. I'm going to select don't copy for now, and it's going to do a quick setup again. And here it's going to ask you to reset your phone. If you used it before and you reset it, it's going to ask you to verify the pattern. So there we go, I verified the pattern, and it's going to continue with the setup. And you can either log in with a Google account or you can skip. I'm going to skip for now. And you can accept all of these terms right here. Scroll down and click accept. And here you can set a security pin for your phone. I'm going to do that now. Enter it again. And there we go. Once you've done all of the steps, you should be greeted with the home screen of your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.